Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Balqis Figma. Now I want to share you how to make a component set without the layout in Figma. For the first step, you need to open your Figma application. Okay, the first step for make auto layout, you need to know what you want to make. For example, I just want to make a simple text like the name of the color. Maybe because of I bring my bottle and it's yellow, I will give the first text is yellow. Okay, like this. And for make it auto layout, you need to click Shift plus A in your on your keyboard. After that, you need to adjust the padding because the default from Figma is the padding for left and right side is 10 and some for the top and bottom is 10 too. I will adjust the right and left side to 15 and for up and the bottom just 5. Okay, like this. After that, we give the fill and I will give the color yellow, same as the text. And for make it like proportional, we add the corner radius, maybe 5 enough. Okay, and for make the component set, we just need to duplicate. Um, for MacBook, you just need to click Command plus D on your laptop, or for Windows, you can click Ctrl plus D. Okay, maybe I just wanna make it like color all of. And I change the color to purple. Yeah, no, then maybe just 5, and then blue. Okay, next green. No, 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 no. And last gray. Okay, and we select the frame. And for make it more tidy, we just need to click more action in the up in the position section, and we click this tidy up. Now, and the space it will sound. I'll change to 10. For make the component set, we click this create component options and create component set. For make it easier to search our component, we need to rename this color for the example, and we can rename this to the property name yellow, purple, blue, green, and gray. Okay, done. After that, how to use the component set? Okay, you need to take the frame and then you go to asset and there's is created in this file. There is one component and you just need to drag and drop your component to your frame. And how to use the others component? Okay, you just need to duplicate and click this, go to the property and search that property that you need to use. You are done. Auto layout and component set will make you easier than you make it one by one from zero. Okay. Okay, that's all for me. I hope it's useful for you guys. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.